In this video, you will learn who should file the ITR 4 form, Sugam, for assessment year 2020-21. Resident individuals, HUFs and partnership firms other than LLP with total income up to 50 lakh rupees under the following heads should file ITR 4. Business income computed on presumptive basis as per Section 44A(d) or 44A(e), or income from profession computed on presumptive basis as per Section 44A(d)(a), or income from salary or pension, or income from one house property, excluding brought forward loss or carry forward loss under this head, or income from other sources, such as interest. In cases where the income of another person like a spouse or minor child is to be clubbed with the taxpayer's income, ITR 4 can be used only if the clubbed income falls into the income categories mentioned earlier. Who should not use ITR 4? ITR 4 should not be used by a person who is a non-resident, or a resident not ordinarily resident, is a director in a company, has invested in unlisted equity shares, has any asset, including financial interest in any entity, outside India, has signing authority in any account outside India, or has income from any source outside India, has income from more than one house property, has income under the head capital gains, has any brought forward loss or loss to be carried forward under any head of income, has agricultural income in excess of 5,000 rupees, has any claim of relief under sections 90, 90A or 91, or has income to be apportioned in accordance with the provisions of Section 5A. Note that ITR 4 form, Sugam, is not mandatory. It is a simplified return form to be used by a taxpayer, at his option, if he is eligible to declare profits from business and profession on presumptive basis under Section 44A(d), 44A(d)(a) or 44A(e). However, if the taxpayer maintains all books of accounts and other documents referred to in Section 44A(a), gets his accounts audited, and obtains an audit report as per Section 44A(b), filling up Form ITR 4 is not mandatory. In such a case, other regular return forms, namely ITR 3 or ITR 5, should be used. To learn how to file ITR 4, watch the video How to File ITR 4.